Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the actual notification audio file. This is essential because you'll transcribe pitches from the real sound. On your phone, find the OGG or MP3 in notifications or ringtones, or export it from the app. Once done, transfer that file to your computer or to an audio editor on Android so you can slow it down. Make sure to keep a copy of the original. Slowing reveals pitch details, and that clarity is why this first step matters. Next, you analyze and transcribe the melody. Open the file in Audacity or Sonic Visualizer and slow playback to 1/2 speed so you can hear individual pitches. Use the spectral or pitch tracker to read frequencies in hertz, then convert those frequencies to musical notes and corresponding piano keys. Mark time stamps for each note. That preserves rhythm. If the sound has harmonics, focus on the strongest fundamental frequency. This precision. Finally, you practice and perform the transcription on the piano. Begin with a metronome set to the timestamps you saved. Play slowly and nail pitch and rhythm. Once accurate, raise tempo gradually until it matches the original notification. Record takes so you can compare and refine tuning or articulation. If it sounds off, troubleshoot. Check pitch mapping, ensure you use the fundamental frequency, and confirm the metronome tempo matches the exported file. That single fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.